Hey everyone, so this video contains spoilers of Black Lightning episode 5, season 5, so even one, this is a really big spoiler in the episode. It's a big spoiler in the episode, so, alright, let's begin. The Pierce family loses Gambit, so unfortunately, that's something to make Joseph a little emotional and sad for that to happen, and Gambit was someone he wanted to help Jefferson prove that Tobias, ended Jefferson's father's life, so that's really now it's gonna be a little bit harder to find justice for Tobias, So in the beginning of the episode, Anissa Bill knows that she's Thunder, and that may help them in the future for future episodes, but for now she's upset that Gambit's no longer there for them. So she runs to someone she likes and be the first. In this episode, Khalil still talking to Jennifer, and it is good to see that he's not really doing much to her in a harassing way, but and also if you notice in this episode, Jennifer really is going to calm. She's not really, we haven't seen her use her powers once in this episode, so I think that's a great step. She's starting to relax and not become overwhelmed with her abilities, and is starting to do well in this episode. And then once you see the kids behind the glass thing, and she succeeds. She thinks that she succeeded in this episode, but it turns out that half of the kids, it failed, and it was like, I feel like if they took more time, they could have found a cure for all 28 instead. That lady that Lynn was working with misled her, thinking Lynn could save all the kids behind the glass thing, but she ended up only saving 14, which is half, but which is a little upsetting for her. What do you guys think about Lynn saving the kids behind that box? Jefferson goes through a lot in this episode. He really gets emotional with the loss of Gambit, and and his wife giving him the locket that belongs to Gambit. He went to it's something that I feel like he needed to hold on to, but Jefferson wanted to put it back in the house with which I don't think he did yet. So I feel like he will hold on to it and really find out. I feel like Jefferson holding onto the locket will really help him calm down and help him mourn on the loss of Gambit. And let me know what you guys think about this episode, them doing that in the game, like Gambit, them losing Gambit was a little unexpected. One hour then when this episode is, with Gambit gone, what's gonna happen to the shop, because they have the secret layer in the basement. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this episode. This is it for the Black Lightning review. Please share and like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe right here. Here's a video that YouTube recommends you enjoy it, and use my other Black Lightning review. I'll see you there. Bye.